So I've had these for a while and I've really liked them until just recently. So I have Himalayan pink salt in here. And the issue has come up where it's stripping the metal. So of course I've just now realized it, so who knows how much of this metal I haven't been eating. But you can see the mechanism that it just strips it, so now it doesn't grind salt anymore. So the metal is not strong enough to grind salt. The pepper has lasted a little bit longer. You can see it's only partially affected, but not strong enough for the salt.
Alright, well, I've had this grinder. I got it for Christmas in 2023. It is November 30th, 2024. But I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. You see how there is a difference in the steps? It apparently has stripped and essentially will go on almost to this side and slips off. So let me see if I can get my fingers out of the way there. So you have to screw it down farther than it's going to get down, and even then it works its way off quite easily without unscrewing. So it's stripped. So unfortunately it didn't even last a year.
On the top, it also showed that they were engraved, but they came blank. So I actually wrote with a marker P and S. It's still pretty disappointing. I don't know, I think it takes from the look of the whole thing. I had to draw that myself. I'm not sure why the listing would show one thing and they send another.
So